As we look at the world today, you notice there is war in nearly every country. There's gangs, massacres, political uprisings. And yet, the two principles that I sought to elucidate in my lifetime remain. Namely, first, the importance of upgrading healthcare services for the military so that those who have served their country might be well cared for. And this includes the proper education of nurses. And secondly, the scientific fact that environment and sanitation are inexorably linked to public health, and our responsibility, yes, our noblesse oblige, if you will, to facilitate and educate people to wisely care for their environment as well as themselves. For this is the only way we will prevent illness and preserve public health. In 200 years, these concerns have not changed. In addition, I notice that the distance between people is so compressed now, so much so as to threaten the lives of everyone, unless we escalate preventative measures. For now, more than any other time, one can truly say, we are the world.